Hey guys, sorry I have been not making videos because I was really sick. So yeah, but I didn't get COVID. I just didn't talk well. Yeah, today we're gonna be looking at this Tyranids. It comes with one Trigon, one Broodlord, and then 8 Gene Stealers. These are amazing in close combat. I had not seen the Broodlord in play, and the Trigon is also really good. Let's open this up. Sorry, the box is damaged. You know how Amazon is sometimes. Oh, this is tightly sealed. Flip it over. Here it is. This is the instruction manual, I think. Yeah. So yeah, here are the Gene Stealers. There are 4 per sprue, I think. Yeah, 4 per sprue, I'm pretty sure. My brother is coming down here and being an absolute nuisance. Here's the Trygon.
I don't think you're doing that with a jacket on. You're gonna be doing that with a jacket on.
This is the Trigon. Some more of the Trigon. And the Broodlord. Here is, oh, that's a big base for the Trigon. The Broodlord. And then these little slotted bases for the Gene Stealers. Yeah, that's gonna wrap up the video. Kind of short, but yeah. Hope you enjoyed it. Please like, comment, subscribe, and bye.